Okay, so we now have this small little hill poured out, and what we're going to do is measure, as I said before, the angle of repose. And if anybody has ever gone to or gone by a gravel yard or any yard that has a bunch of soil in it, you'll see where they have big conveyor belts that go up and are dumping soil out. Have you guys seen this by any chance?
No.
No? Okay. Anyway, there's big hills of soil, and these big hills of soil are at their natural angle of repose. This is what we tried to recreate here. On our topographic map that we've used, we've seen different angles, right? We've seen hills that have different gradients. We've seen the slope of the land be different. That slope of the land is different based on the type of soil, the amount of water, and the size of the soil. So this is what we're trying to measure in this little experiment here in a very controlled way because we have a very controlled grain size. Is this a coarse grain or a fine grain sand? Coarse grain, exactly. Okay, so this is a protractor for people that don't have a whole lot of experience with this. And you can see that the base, I call it the pivot point, is located at the cross that's sort of at the tip of this screw. That cross is where you want to measure from. Is it easier if maybe I put my hand behind it? Can you see? No? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is take our protractor and we're going to slide it into the hill until the base of the slope is at the pivot point. Then we're going to follow the slope up the protractor to read what the angle is that it's sitting at. So Lucy, you want to go ahead and do that?
I'm gonna stop there, keep going.
Keep going. You want to have
Right.
the pivot point all the way at the base of the slope. Keep going, keep going, keep going, right about there. Danielle, can you read that number off?
It's about 38.
38. Very good. All right, so we've got 38 degrees. I would like everybody at home to please try and recreate this. If you come up with something different, you might want to take 1 or 2 measurements. We're going to try it again to see if we come up with the same measurement, and we'll let you know how it goes.